All right, part two. I decided to film this too, but this time I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to put this together as fast as I can because I want to prove to you that if I just shut up, it's a lot easier, you know, without the talking and the commentary. So yeah, I'm not going to be talking much in this video. I'm just going to put it together because I want to see if this works out too. And that's it. So here we go. Alright, my videos are definitely a little bit weird if I'm not talking. At least I'm used to hearing my own voice, which is strange. Alright. I'm telling you, that's the hardest part. Okay. Got it right the first time. Alright, so I'm just going to fill this up and then we'll give it a shot. Almost done. Okay, just overfilled it completely, which is fine. Just give it a second to breathe. And that's what happens when you're Russian. Actually, I'm Italian and German. Okay. Yeah, I'm way overfilled. I gotta grab paper towel. Hang on a second. Well, it's a good example of what happens if you do overfill it. Very simple. Grab yourself a paper towel or a rag or something and absorb the extra fluid. That's all, not a big deal. Obviously, it goes without saying, properly dispose of this, you know, fuel-soaked rag. Yeah, I'm kind of squeezing this down now because I did really overfill it. But that's okay. No big deal. when I first light this, the majority of it's gonna catch fire, which is fine. Let me get the paper towel out of the way. Keep in mind, it won't burn me. It's just gonna burn off that thin layer. All right, so anything you got in your fingers, and I love how it lit the first time. Come on, Will, I don't know what the deal is. Guess you had a problem with it, but not anymore. You're good to go. By the way, Will was extremely nice to have offered this one to me. He said, I can keep this if I fix it. You know, just can you fix my old one and sell it for me? So that's it. How you like them apples? See, if I don't talk, well, rushing a little bit, I did overfill it, but the whole process should not take that long. So completely take it apart and put it back together if you need be. You can see there's fluid in the lid here too. Sometimes when you keep it stored, you get those vapors and even a little bit of liquid itself in the lid itself. I said itself twice, which was stupid. And you go to light it and your lid catches fire, that's why, that's all. It's just a little bit overfilled. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna let that burn for a good 30 seconds or so, shut it, let it cool off a little bit because it will get hot, as you guys know from playing with these things. And continuously doing that maybe 3 or 4 times, and that'll get me back to a just filled Zippo and not an overfilled Zippo. So that's it, guys. Looks pretty good to me. Hope you enjoyed the video, maybe learned something, and if you didn't, then that's okay too. Maybe you'll enjoy the next video. Till then, hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy, guys.